Welcome to the Tesrex YouTube channel and our Cisco Webex Room Kit tutorials. Today we'll be looking at how to take screenshots of a Webex Room Kit device. First of all, open the Webex control panel, then choose the device you wish to configure. On the right you should click to open the web interface of the device, and then click Proceed. From this page, open the Maintenance drop-down and click User Interface Screenshots. Firstly, we'll take a screenshot of the OSD, or the on-screen display. This will take a couple of seconds to load. And now we can take a screenshot of the touch panel. And that's all that's required to make sure everything has been set up correctly. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.